Hi there, in this video I'll show you how to set up your ClickFunnels account. So you are brought into this main navigation dashboard, and to set up your account just drag your mouse over the navigation bar on top and select Account. And now you're brought into the main navigation on your account settings in ClickFunnels. What's important is you go through each section line by line and see what you need to fill in so that the services by ClickFunnels is not disrupted. Under Account Billing, of course, do input in your credit card details, and in this, so that all the pages that you have built, the visitor and contacts, and the funnels that you have set up is not disrupted after your 14-day trial period. So do set up your account billing. Under Personal Page Templates, you can see the page templates that you have built. Also under this tab, Email Templates is the list of the email templates that you have customized and built ready for you to email out. Digital assets are the ebooks and the digital products that you have uploaded that you want ClickFunnels to host. Under digital assets, for example purposes, I've uploaded a demo product, and I'll show you in another video how to upload this. It's also important for your integrations to work, and all you need to do to set up your integrations is to click on this button, Add New Integration. And it's a step-by-step process where it'll show you and guide you on how to integrate your emails or your autoresponders. For this example, I've already integrated MailChimp, and I'll show you. Just click on this button. You can put a name, and I just want to show you a list of services that integrates well with ClickFunnels. From Actionetics, Aweber, Infusionsoft, Kajabi, MailChimp, SendLane, right up to SendDirect. Scroll down further, you can also integrate your payment gateways. Payment gateways range from Stripe to JVZoo to ClickBank. Outgoing SMTP is your emails that are integrated with the autoresponder itself, and you can also customize your custom domains and add in managers. To recap, what's important in this area are your account billing that you need to put in your credit card details, your digital assets where you can upload digital products, your integrations, payment gateways, outgoing SMTP, and your custom domains. And there you have it. This is the ClickFunnels account overview.